Where life gets interesting with if functions is that you can nest them. You can actually nest up to 64 if functions. The situation I've created here is we have a number of people and they have results. We've all been through the system where we've been graded. What I'd like to do is create an if function that says if a grade is greater than 90, give them an A+. If it's greater than 85, give them an A. If it's greater than 80, give them an A-, and so on. So in the cell C2, I'm going to type equals if, open bracket. If B2 is greater than 90, comma, if that's true, then give them an A+. But if that's false, do another if, open bracket. If B2 is greater than 85, then give them an A. If that's false, do another if, open bracket. If B2 is greater than 80, then give them an A-, comma. If that's false, do another if, open bracket. If B2 is greater than 75, then give them a B+. If that's false, do another if. If B2 is greater than 70, then give them a B. If that's false, do another if. If B2 is greater than 65, then give them a B-. But if B2 is greater than 60, then give them a C+. But if B2 is greater than 55, then give them a C. But if B2 is greater than 50, give them a C-. Otherwise, final false, give them an F. So if they're greater than 90, give them an A+. Otherwise, if they're greater than 85, give them an A. Otherwise, if they're greater than 80, give them an A-. If they're greater than 75, give them a B+. If they're greater than 70, give them a B. If they're greater than 65, give them a B-. If they're greater than 60, give them a C+. If they're greater than 55, give them a C. If they're greater than 50, give them a C-. Otherwise, give them an F. For every instance of the word if is how many closed brackets you have to have. There are 9 ifs, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. And Matt has an A+. If I click on C2 and double click the thin cross, it works out the grade for everybody else.